Mark Twain once said, "Too much of anything is bad, but too much good whiskey is barely enough." Seeking to prove that is a company called the Great Whiskey Challenge. They offer multiple kits to allow you to have your own whiskey tasting event. Whether you're having the party at your house or taking it on the road, they offer kits for 1, 2, or even 6 drinkers to try out different bottles and rank your favorites. For today though, let's go ahead and show what they sent. Usually when we do an unboxing, we start with the box they sent it in, open it up, show you what they sent. In this case, they sent me so much stuff, the box would almost take up half the table. We already opened it up for you. Let's show you what we got. To start, we got the Ultimate Tasting Experience for 1. This is a single person's kit. Comes with 3 glasses, scorecard, pencil, little markers so you can identify A, B, and C, which bottle is which, and still do it blindly. Very cool. This is probably the one we use the most, since obviously most of our videos, it's just me. There's also a 3-glass bar flight kit. This is 3 Glencairns. Still all boxed up, very nicely packaged, very well secured. Definitely, again, we'll be using that quite a bit. We have a travel kit. This is super cool. Comes in this hard case, real nice hard plastic. You can ship this if you had to. Throw it in your luggage, throw it in your book bag, whatever. When you open it up, you have these tasting cards. You can put your notes, mark your favorites here. You got, again, the little markers to show which glass is which. Comes with your Glencairns, comes with little travel cases. There's 4. What's pretty cool with this is you can have bourbon in 3 of them, whiskey, bourbon, whatever you're drinking. Then some water in the 4th. Sometimes a little bit of water, be it in an ice cube or be it with just spring water, opens up the flavors. So they thought of that even as well. Real nice foam packaging as well, keeps everything very secured. And then for the piece de resistance, we got the Ultimate Spirit Tasting Kit. This is their master kit. This is one of the bigger ones. Like I mentioned, they do have kits for up to 6 people. Those are massive. This one though is one you have at a party, having some friends over. It's got these really cool little things. It has rules on it, not rules, more so instructions on the best way to do a blind tasting. You can rank 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. It's got 2 of those. They call it their tasting podium. Again, it's got the tasting notes, the instructions, and then when you pop it open, you've got 6 Glencairn glasses in there. You've got the 4 tasting bottles. Real nice, cool wood case as well. This stuff's really awesome. I can't wait to try this out. It's some of the things we've done before, but it should look way better, way more organized. Rather than, before it was my wife off camera kind of moving glasses around. Now we can kind of do this properly. Maybe we have some friends over in the future. I got a few buddies in mind that want to come do videos with me that are maybe even more bourbon experts than I am. And we can really put it to the test and see what they think. So guys, again, the Great Whiskey Challenge, I really appreciate them sending this stuff to me. We'll link them down below. Make sure you check their stuff out. Look for some videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Usually when we're doing an unboxing, we'd start with the overall box and then go from there. In this case, they sent me so much stuff, the